Here's how you're gonna remove the DME module. N26. You have these connectors. You're gonna first push on this and then push this down because it's held on by the tab. You push it and then push this over this. The connector goes up by itself. You remove it. Same thing for the second and third connector. Okay, for this connector, you have this wire that goes under this big connector. It's gonna be a little bother. You got a sensor here. Remove that connector. Then you're gonna have to remove those two, 1 and 2. So what I did is pry a screwdriver in this area with one hand, and then with my finger push this at the same time, pry with the screwdriver, and then it comes up just like that. Same procedure for this one. And then for the last one, you gotta tap here and here. Use your screwdriver or plastic prying tool, pull it towards the rear, and then hold it with your finger and then pull it towards you. Then this connector is gonna come up. Now the DME is free. We can go ahead and removing those Torx bolts. Holla back. Do the rest by hand. I'll do the rest by hand because I don't want to. I didn't want the bolt to fall. I have more problems. There's 3 of them. Number 4. Stuff to do everything. Recording and do the work. Ah! Dang, I so much didn't want to drop this bolt. I still did it. I can see it. I can see it. I saw it earlier. Dang. In this angle. Oh yeah, I see it. So I'm gonna use my magnet. There you go. Fishing it out. So 4 bolts. They're all T30 for the DME after you remove the connector. And this is the DME. 2014 BMW 328i. The chassis type is F30. Just removing the DME after removing the FEM module. If you have any question, just send me a comment. I'll be more than happy to respond. Thank you.